Did you know that if you take a lemon, cut it into pieces, and coat it with honey, you can create one of the most effective natural remedies that exist? By combining lemon with honey, you create a powerful drink capable of relieving sore throat, soothing cough, strengthening immunity, easing congestion, and fighting respiratory infections. Here's how to prepare it. First, we'll need 2 lemons. Extract the juice and cut the peels into small pieces. Next, we'll use a piece of ginger. Cut it as shown in the demonstration. In a pot, place half a liter of water along with the ingredients we've just prepared. Cook over high heat and let it boil for 10 minutes, then strain the mixture. Finally, add the lemon juice we set aside earlier and 3 teaspoons of honey. Honey is essential in this recipe due to its antibacterial and